Hi, this is Jagdish, Assistant Professor of EC Department, SNS College of Technology, Coimbatore. And today, in our video lecture series, we are going to discuss about the topic of testing machine learning algorithms. So, this topic comes under the Unit 1, that's the fundamentals of machine learning. So, come, let's dive into the topic. Testing machine learning algorithm. First of all, we must understand the need of testing. So, for example, if you are given with a product, if you are given with a smartphone, right, and you are asking to use for a 1 week with your smartphone all the facilities like making a call, texting, WhatsApping, and using multimedias, everything, right? So, after 1 week, what you will know is you will come to know that which are all the advantages of the smartphone and which are all the drawbacks or disadvantage of this smartphone. You can able to understand, right? So that is actually so what you are doing for 1 week means you are testing, you are experiencing the advantage and disadvantages through by using your using your mobile phone. So this is actually a testing. So after understanding the advantages and disadvantages, you can able to fine tune the disadvantages. You can able to change the process of smartphone, or you can change the different methods to enhance the mobile phone operation in still better way. So the testing is more important to bring the best thing in any product or anything, right? So this is the essential thing why we are going for the testing. So testing the machine learning algorithm, it is nothing the same like so whatever we have, many machine learning algorithms are there. So even though many machine learning algorithm there, we have to test the each machine learning algorithm whether it works properly or not, or it works, it predict the prediction is correct or not. That we have to understand, that we have to know. So this testing machine learning algorithm, like unlike the traditional software which follows explicit instruction, ML algorithm learns from data, drawing patterns and making decisions. So this learning paradigm, while highly intelligent, introduces complexities. If traditional software fails, that it often due to the coding error, a logical misstep. But when a ML model fails, it could be due to various reasons: a bias in the training data, an overfitting bugs, an unforeseen integration of variables. And yes, ML model are involved in a critical decision making like approving loans, steering autonomous vehicles, or diagnosing patients. There could be a chances for errors. This is why ML testing is crucial process that every business needs to implement. It ensures that the ML model operate responsibly, accurately, and ethically. So this is actually machine learning. What is ML testing means? So ML testing will will ensure the correctness, accuracy, and robustness of the ML model. This is called a ML testing. And the importance of ML testing is the place that so maintaining model accuracy, it has to give the accurate value, then protection against bias, adapting to the changing data. If you are changing the data, whatever the training test data, that must give the appropriate predictions, right? That is one thing, and enhance the reliability. So these are all the ML testing. Importance of ML testing. So the testing ML testing softwares or algorithms should ensure the listed four categories must reach the proper point out, right? So that protection against then adapting to the changing data, enhancing reliability, that we already know. So types of ML testing is unit test, data testing, cross validation, performance metrics testing, and robustness, and A by B testing for deployment and bias testing. Here, according to the unit test, it is nothing but of we have, for example, if you have a data, one data is there, it has 10 lines. You have to separate each line separately. That is a block, each block, so that we can able to test the process complete data easier manner. So data testing and pre-processing is nothing but of before giving to the before giving the raw data to ML testing, we have to pre-process. And cross validation, it must the thing is it must operate in a different platform. That's a cross validation. And performance metric testing, so we have the performance of the ML algorithm. It is evaluated by different metrics like accuracy, precision, bias, all those things. And robustness test, the robustness test involves assessing how well the model handles unexpected input or adversarial attacks. So A by B testing is nothing but of existing thing we have to keep and what is the predicted value. So how far the difference will be takes place. That is called a or B. A is nothing but a one thing existing and B is a prediction. So this is called A slash B testing or A bar B testing for deployment. And bias testing we know, and the evaluation metrics we already know. That's what are the evaluation metrics like accuracy, precision, bias, adapting to the data changes. So those things are the evaluation metrics. So testing machine learning algorithm, which has several steps. There is accuracy, precision, sensitivity, specificity, and the area under the ROC curve, mean absolute error, and root mean square. So these are all the steps, right? So let us see the classroom activity. It is a rebus puzzle. Find out the answer of each block, the representation, each block of the representation, and give your answer. Discuss with your team members and tell your answers. Okay. So on the ethical consideration in machine learning is nothing but of data privacy and security, transparency and explainability, human-centric design, long-term effects, fairness and bias, accountability and liability, consent and data usage, collaborative oversight. Then let's see the assessment. So write a detailed explanation for the above ML testing tools like TensorFlow, PyTorch, Learn, Fairlane. These are only some popular machine learning testing algorithms, right? You Google the internet and find out the appropriate contents for these softwares and explain it. Thank you.